welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean and this is Dream Cars Daily. This is Will.
What's going on?
Will is a drone pilot. We're trying to bring a little bit of flair to the channel maybe. Tonight I have a video shoot with an artist. We're gonna go do that. So that's coming up. But Will is gonna be shooting some drone footage for us. So and this is our first time doing this. So we're going to go head out and do a little bit of drone footage, give it a shot. As you can see, it's kind of getting. It is evening, so we're kind of burning daylight here. But he's got a racing drone here with multiple cameras on it, and we're gonna go check out what this thing can do. And of course, we know what the Ferrari can do, but we're gonna see how good it looks with drone footage. Will's getting the drone ready. We're in a random parking lot. There's a few cars over there, but we have a ton of empty space. We're gonna have some fun, and he's gonna throw me some drone footage, and I have a feeling we're gonna be doing some more collaboration in the future. Definitely go check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description. What he does is, his channel is just him flying the drone and showing kind of what he's capable of. But cool guy, definitely a good drone pilot. And let's go rip some stuff up with the Ferrari. So the people over here said no. We didn't even get very far, but they came out, they're like, dude, not here. Although these wonderful gentlemen over here own the parking lot next door, and they're like, yeah, dude, go for it, rip it up. All good.
Somewhere over here.
Oh, I see you over there.
That's it, man.
Did I run it over?
Man, it's totally smoked. I tried to bail out, but it's done, dude. That's it, man. That sucks.
Oh my gosh.
Well, at least the battery actually didn't explode. That's a pretty good look. That's actually, I'd be really, yeah. Oh yeah. I get away from that, man. I could pop if those wires touch.
Well, that'd be exciting.
Yeah. I knew it as soon as I tried to wave you down through the smoke, but once you put a cloud, I couldn't wave you down anymore.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, man.
It's all good, man.
It's not all good. That's,
yeah, it's done. I don't think anything's. Well, maybe the camera's salvageable. My other motor, I just saw it over here.
Well, that did not go as expected. So how far did that get?
Dude, I got nothing, man. I got, like, literally, I came too close on one of them and I tried to pitch out and came back upside down. And then I think you came around right then and I was like, no, oh, I think that's it. I was hoping maybe it survived, but it doesn't look like it.
I need to probably put the battery pack down and not, not kill myself or have it catch on fire in my hands. And we need some drone repairs. Or a new drone.
I think a new drone. I think I got one piece that's gonna live through here though.
All right, here we are. I retreated to my shop. It got dark out. Ayana's on her way. We killed the drone. It's toast. I ran it over. Sounds like he kind of wanted to like get out of the way as I was coming around. He like over rotated, hit the ground, and then I spun the car into it and under the tire. Drone's gone. Ayana's gonna be here in a few minutes, so I don't know what we're doing tonight. We're headed out there in the dark, in the Ferrari, in the Jag. Probably shenanigans will ensue. Honestly, I have no idea what we're getting into. Tires are pretty much toast. I just ripped a couple donuts in them, and hopefully there's at least a little bit of drone footage in there that we can get in here so you can see. It was pretty wild. It was fun. But the car's getting new tires. Car's getting huge changes. A bunch of stuff coming up. You guys got to stay tuned. There are things happening, but you'll just have to wait and see. So car's going to be gone for a week. It's leaving on Monday. Going to be gone for a week. When I get it back, completely different. And then we still got to get new tires. We've got a rally coming up. 7-day rally, 6-day rally, something like that. We're doing like 1,500 miles. Some awesome driving roads. Going to be a great video, multiple videos probably. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for changes to the Ferrari. I think Ayana's here. We're headed out. Let's go. There she is. All right, so tell me, why did you come all the way here from Detroit? What are we doing tonight?
To shoot my music video for space. We got Johnny Docs, we got Connery McDowell, and the realest ever in the world to me, you feel me? Sean from Dream Cars Daily in this. Excuse me for cussing.
Excuse me, you two.
I like the suit.
You know?
It would not fit me.
No,
but
like this was actually a perfect fit.
yeah,
So
you're tiny, so it fits you.
shout out to everybody pitching in for this bad boy. Much love.
So we're gonna say no to the shoes then, right? We'll have you
Yeah.
hold the helmet.
Yeah, and I got the jacket.
We've made our way to our undisclosed location in Mexico. We've got a couple cars. Ayana's here. We've got another driver for the Jag. I've never done a video before. Oh, I've never done a music video before. I've never done anything like this, so this is going to be exciting. Shenanigans.
Good to go. I'll give you guys the signal. You're gonna start, right? And then he's gonna jump in after
I'm going to
you?
start. He's going to jump in.
Do you know if he's gonna jump in while you're still doing it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
so
I think
cool
that's
with
the plan. That's kind of the easiest way to do it. If we're gonna try and do a tandem, that way he knows his spacing.
Cool. All right, so basically, for the first one, I'm gonna follow you pretty much. I'm gonna be circling around, following you until you get into your zone, you know,
Okay.
kind of thing. And then I'm gonna pull in on Yana, and then circle back to you again. So you said 8 to 10 about?
Probably.
That's cool. All right, that's cool.
All right. Donuts around the Jag. Oh my gosh. That was too much fun. Oh, you guys. The ground. Yeah, we kind of did that. All of that right there is our smoke. We're leaving before we're in trouble. I made it back. Ayana's driving the Jag, and I'm pretty sure she missed it. Those shots of you hanging out the window are gonna be awesome.
Man, I cannot wait. I'm gonna striptease for you guys. Sorry.
Wait, hold it. No, these are family-friendly videos. We're turning this camera around.
Nothing is happening.
No, she's not stripping, folks. She's just getting the race suit off. Connery, Ayana, Johnny. Thank you guys so much for coming out. Thank you for letting me be a part of your video.
Thank you for being a part of my video, man.
This was too much fun.
Mutually beneficial.
For real, dog. Win-win situations across the board.
All I need is like the most minuscule of excuse to do donuts.
And then you're like,
For real.
Like seriously, somebody can be like, I lost $1. Can we do some donuts and look for it?
Just our cereal.
If we just do about 10 donuts right now, like,
maybe it's flying in the air.
we might find it.
It's not even in this parking lot.
Right.
Your grandma stubbed her toe last Thursday? Your grandma stubbed her toe last Thursday and she said donuts will make her feel better?
So, yeah.
Let's do this.
Listen to chefs, you know.
Yeah, let's go grab some donuts while doing this.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We had a blast. We had more fun than we should probably be allowed. Well, more fun than technically we're allowed to have, I'm sure. The police didn't show up.
No tickets.
There was no police activity, so we're calling this a win. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned because the Ferrari's changing. You don't want to miss it.
Listen to my music.
Go check. Yes. Go check out Ayana Love. Link in description below. Hit the subscribe button, throw me a like, and we'll see you next video.